Welcome! In this tutorial, we will guide you through how to start a method directly from the visionCATS Explorer window. There are two ways to do this. Option 1. Open the visionCATS taskbar, click Edit, and then select Execute Method. Option 2. Simply right-click on the method and choose Execute Method from the pop-up menu. In both cases, a new window will open. Enter a name for your analysis and select the folder or storage location where you want to save it. Finally, click OK. The analysis file will then be created and opened automatically. Before starting the analysis, ensure that all parameters are configured, no warning messages are displayed, and all instruments are powered on and properly connected. You've now successfully started a method directly from the Explorer window. You can proceed with your analysis workflow in visionCATS efficiently, accurately, and with full traceability. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.